The good news is that most of the banking sector in Asia has quite ample liquidity. So one example is on the trade financing, because most of the trade financing is really, under normal circumstances coming from outside. But as you said yourself, the banking sector in Europe is in trouble, and they pull out their money from the region. So I bet the regional banks will start to come in. The best case scenario is what we call the baseline scenario, and we forecast the growth for the emerging East Asia under that scenario will be around 7.2% in 2012. And the worst case scenario is when the US and Europe both are in recession, and we forecast in 2012 the growth rate for the emerging East Asia will be around 5.4%. China is going to slow down, but it's definitely soft landing. It's not hard landing. Now, of course, one can always develop a scenario where China will be in hard landing. That will be bad news, because in the last couple of years, countries in Asia have been more and more integrated. And this is not only through the trade sector, what most people call the production network, but also in the financial sector. Even before now, I would say the second quarter, we were already of the opinion that the Asian policymakers should shift the pendulum from controlling inflation to stimulating growth. And you still remember about 6-7 months ago, many countries in the region have been facing this pressure on inflation because of commodity price increase and so forth. But now it definitely has to move towards stimulating growth.